help us to help you and others to produce more quality videos. How? Subscribe and share. Let us have a demo. To create a company code, I can go to transaction OX02, or I can go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, edit, copy, delete, company code. Execute. And there are two options, copy and then edit. So we'll first copy it, then we'll go for editing. Select copy organization object. Before copying, you need to make sure that you have a reference company code. Reference company code is the one you're using as a reference to copy and create a new company code. In our example, I'll use 1710 to create our new company code. We can give 4-digit code for company code. It can be numeric or alphanumeric. Continue. Now it will give me several messages like this to decide what all settings I want to copy and what all settings I don't want to copy. In this case, it's asking me if I want to copy the GL accounts and chart of account. So in our case, I want to create a new chart of account and a list of new GL accounts. So in this case, I'll select no. Now it says controlling area is assigned to the reference company code. So I'll be creating a new controlling area and I'll assign it to our new company code. So I'll say no. The reference company code has a local currency USD. So I want to keep the local currency of the company as USD. So I'll say I don't want to change. It may give some error messages. If you want to know what this error message is all about, you can go to help. It says some of the data was deleted and some of the data was not copied. The assignment to controlling area was not copied because I selected not to do so. And some information was deleted. So we can go to global parameters to check and update the settings as needed. Continue. Continue. I don't want to transport the number ranges from the reference company code. I will create my own new number ranges. No. Now it is prompting me to enter a transport request. I can create a new transport request here, but in the real business scenario, you have to create the transport request in Solution Manager. So I'll select my transport request once that request is created from the list and then continue. Now SAP is ready to copy the company code. Click on copy. Continue. We have created company code A001 by copying it from 1710. Continue. Now let us go back and edit the company code basic data. In step 2, click on position, type company code, select the company code. Since we have copied from 1710, the description is also copied. So we'll change the description as ABCUS. I want to keep the rest of the details as it is and go to address and change the name of the company code ABCUS. I'll keep the address as it is, but I want to delete the email address. Continue and save. Continue. Let us move on to step number 3. To check and update the global parameters, we can use the code OBY6, or we can go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, Financial Accounting, Financial Accounting Global Settings, Global Parameters for Company Code, enter Global Parameters, Position, Company Code A001, select the company code. So it has also copied the global parameters. It has also copied the chart of accounts from the reference company code. So I don't want to use this chart of account. I'll delete it. I don't have a country chart of account. I'll delete the credit controlling area. Fiscal year variant is K4. I'll just keep it as it is. We'll see it after we create the fiscal year variant. Field status variant is 0010. I'll create my own fiscal year variant, so I'll delete it. Posting period variant is 1710. I'll create my own. I'll delete that as well. I'll remove these settings. And that's it. Now save. Save. We are done creating a new company code by copying from a reference company code. We can directly go to the transaction code OX15 to define a company, or we can go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Can click on new entries, give a 5 digits company key, for example A000. We can give up to 5 digits, so I'm giving 4 digits key. ABC group of companies. We can give address, city, country, US, language key EN, currency USD. Save. Select the appropriate transport request and save. Now we have created a company. Now let's go to the next step and assign the company to the company code. We can go to OBY6 transaction code, or we can follow the IMG path. Financial accounting, global settings, global parameters for company code, enter global parameters, select the company code we have created, A001. Now assign company which we have created just now, A000, and save. Save the transport request. We have created the company and assigned to the company code successfully. Let us define the profit center. The transaction code is KE51. Instead of using the T code, you can use the menu tree. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, store records, profit centers, processing, create. Let us create a profit center A001. For creating a profit center, we need to create a controlling area and a standard hierarchy. Since these topics will be covered in controlling, I'm using a controlling area which is already created in the system. Let's enter the name, person responsible, center group, save. Once you click on save, prompts a message saying that the profit center is saved but it's in inactive status. Let's press continue, then click activate. The profit center is now created and activated successfully. Let us create a segment and assign it to a profit center. Let us go to SPRO to create a segment. SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, shell accounting, define segment. Click on new entries, segment code, description, save. Save the transport request. Now we'll assign this segment in the profit center we have created. Transaction KE52, change profit center. Enter the segment, save. Since we have made the changes to this profit center, we again need to activate this profit center. Click on activate. So we have created a segment and assigned it to the profit center successfully. Let us define a functional area. T code to define a functional area is OKBD, or we can use SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, functional area. Click on new entries, give the functional area code, name, and save. Save the transport request. We have created the functional area successfully. Let's define a business area. We can use the T code OX03, or we can use SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define business area. Click on new entries, give the business area code, and give a description, and save. Select the appropriate transport request and save. We have successfully created a business area. Please help us help you and others by subscribing and sharing our channel. Please watch the complete general ledger accounting videos by clicking on the playlist displayed on the screen. And if you have missed the last session, I have provided the link on the screen as well. So stay safe and see you in the next video on posting different business transactions in SAP FI. Thank you and goodbye.